In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the board cover in Miro, providing a personalized touch to your collaborative workspace. First, let's navigate to Miro.com. Once you're on the website, you'll see the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in now. You can use either your email or your Google account for this. Enter your credentials and proceed by clicking continue with email or the appropriate login option that you chose. Next, you'll be taken to your Miro dashboard. Here you'll see a list of all your boards. Select the board you want to work on by simply clicking on it. Your board will open up, and now we're going to focus on changing its cover. Look to the left side of your board's name. You'll notice a button labelled Change Thumbnail. Click on this button. A menu will appear offering a variety of preset thumbnails. You can choose one from this selection if it suits your needs. However, if you prefer a more personalized image, you have the option to upload your own thumbnail. To do this, click on the upload option and select your desired image from your computer. If you want to set a specific section of your board as the thumbnail, there's an option for that too. Click on select board area. You'll be able to see your board in its entirety. Now select the area you want to highlight as the board cover by dragging your cursor over it. Once you've marked the desired section, confirm your selection by clicking Apply as Thumbnail. This will immediately update the board cover to reflect the area you've chosen. After you've changed the thumbnail, let's head back to your dashboard to see the updated board cover. Simply retrace your steps back by clicking on the Miro icon or home button to get back to your dashboard. Now, to get a better view of how your board thumbnail looks among others, it's helpful to switch to grid view. This view arranges your boards in a way that makes it easier to see the thumbnails at a glance. This final step ensures that you are satisfied with how your board cover looks, allowing you to quickly identify and access your board in the future. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Miro board cover to better suit your style and needs. By following these steps, you can now easily differentiate your boards, making them not only functional but also visually appealing. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.